By the way, if you had billions of dollars, can't you do more sadaqah? Aren't you able to do more sadaqah? Okay, but if your heart is not in a good place, then is that sadaqah going to benefit you? No. But if you have billions and your heart is clean, then you beg Allah, Ya Allah, give me billions more, I want to give more. Ya Allah, give me trillions now, I want to give more. Ya Allah, give me zillions, I want to give more. The only place in the Quran you will find a dua that's hard to understand. Rabbi habli mulkan la yanbaghi li ahadin min ba'di. My Rabb, give me power, give me kingdom. Sulaiman asks Allah, give me power, give me kingdom that is not appropriate for anyone to have after I die. Ya Allah, you seem to have given me a control over my nafs that I know ain't nobody gonna have it after me. So Ya Allah, give me more than you've given any other human being so I can use all of it for what? For you, because it doesn't affect me the way it affects other people. I have this, you've given me this special immunity from this problem. Now, you may not be Sulaiman, but maybe Allah has given you immunity to something. Maybe Allah has given you some ability to do something without needing to take the credit for it. But you're good at it. And you don't use it to further your own ego. But you want to accomplish big things because it's bigger than yourself. It's not about you, it's something bigger than yourself. But projecting it, demonstrating it, showing it, making it bigger, doing the branding of it. Isn't it branding, the glass floor? Isn't that branding? Isn't that advertising? You know? Maybe sometimes the advertising, the strategy, the marketing of it, the positioning of it, the bling of it is part of a much bigger objective that has nothing to do with your own personal ego. It's incredible. It's absolutely incredible. That's the height of confidence. When you can have so much wealth and so much power and so much to show the world and none of it affects you because you're working on something bigger than yourself. It doesn't affect you at all. That's the ultimate sample of confidence in the Quran.